This is my new video for grade 11. Through this I show a new lesson called one geometry lesson, Equiangular triangles. That's your chapter 14. One geometry part will see discuss about these theorems and solving problems using this idea. So write the heading, the equiangular triangles, or sometimes we call the similar triangle, equiangular triangles or similar triangles. So there are a few theorems here. There's no any much more proof necessary of these theorems. I'll show you. So write the subtitle, ratio theorem. Write below ratio theorem. Write this. If a straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, if a straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, comma, it divides the other two sides proportionally. It divides the other two sides proportionally. If a straight line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle, comma, it divides the other two sides proportionally. Okay, see, very important, more applications available using this calculation theorem. See how that. I show by diagram form. A triangle, for is a name ABC. Triangle ABC has three sides. A line drawn parallel to another side. You can draw a line in this inside this, which is parallel to another side. So if I draw this one, I say PQ, these two are parallel. Okay, so the line drawn parallel to another side here, BC. So if we draw here parallel to AB, if we draw here parallel to AC, the three sides, there are therefore three parallels in this case. So now what the theorem says, in triangle ABC, if PQ parallel to BC, PQ parallel to BC, then theorem says line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally, like a ratio form. That is, AP is to PB equal what? AQ is to QC, right? Then AP is to PB equal AQ is to QC. It's the idea, proportional part. Or I can say here that is, see, another method. Ratio can be converted as a fraction form. So write this fraction, AP over PB equal AQ over QC. So frequently this pattern we use, right? Ratio, this, so copy this. It's called ratio theorem. A triangle line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally. What are the questions? Using this, what type of problem we have? They will give AP 5 cm, PB missing X, AQ 7 cm, QC 3. So here there are four parts in this fractional equation. They will give one of that. Three terms given, find the remaining. AP given, PB given, AQ given, find the QC. Like that question. Now first I show some problem from your page 81 in your textbook. Local syllabus grade 11, page 81. is 3 centimeter. Here A, here 6. Go through and see. So I won't write the triangle name and all. It's a simple part 1 type numerical problem, that calculation problem. But the question here, find the small letter A value. What is A? So see the triangle, line drawn parallel to this side. Divide the other two proportionally. Then write the ratio. Always better you start, you can write like this. BP over PA, CQ over QA. The order is important, right? Always better we write, always start from the unknown part. What is unknown, start, that is easy, right? So start from here. Then what? A over 3 equal, therefore here also from here, 4 over 6. So A over 3 equal 4 over 6. That's all. Hereafter you are solving equation. Multiple 3, A equal 3 times 4 over 6. 12 divided by 6, 2 in centimeters. One of the book problem, 2 centimeters. You can work similar type. Any questions? Next question there, the problem, next one. Various shape of the diagram, we properly study where are the parallel. Search, identify where are the parallel. This is 3, here 4, here B, here 8, all in centimeters, right? So find the value of B. So you can see, you can try on, stop the, pause the video, complete it, and check with me the answer. So line drawn parallel. So this divide these two sides proportional. 3 over 4 equal B over 8. O is 2 ratio. So as I mentioned, always start from the unknown part first. Follow me how I am showing easy method. So B over 8 equal 3 over 4. Cross multiple, B equal 3 times 8 over 4, that is 6. Okay, 24 divided by 4, 6. These are the problems. Here the question, next problem there. These two parallel here. Here 2, 4, 8. This is missing, I think it's X. We mark as X as missing. So find the X value. Apply the ratio theorem. In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally. So parallel is available. So other two values are given, one is missing. So apply the rule, that theorem. X over 8, no? X over 8 equal 2 over 4. Ratio part. So cross multiple X equal 2 times 8 over 4. So cut the 2 here, 2. Cut the 2 at 4. Therefore the missing term is the length of that part, 4 centimeters, right? Next, today is the 4th question. It also using this book. Lines, the student search, we identify where is parallel, then only the problem, otherwise no question here. This is 3, here 5. And I think this totally they mark 12. See that? Totally 12 centimeter, right? So find the value of the unknown part. Find the value of an unknown. Okay, maybe see they're not clear, they're not shown clearly. In this case, totally 12. So these two missing. These two missing. So we find what is this part, what is this part. You can't say 6, 6. That is some different midpoint theorem. This midpoint comes only, no? Okay, so therefore in this case, how to find this value or this value? None of that known, neither know. Just you don't know the values. So I say this is x. This is 5, here 7. Here 8, here 4. Totally 12. If it's 3, here 9. So here x means here what? 12 minus x. Okay. And now write the ratio. Now write the ratio, find the x value. If we know the x value, this is known, then this is also known part. So write the ratio. In a triangle, line drawn parallel, divide the other two proportionally. Start from here. X over 12 minus x equal 5 over 3. Okay. X over 12 minus x equal 5 over 3. That's all. Now solve and find the answer. Solve this simple equation. The cross multiple here, this multiple there. 3x, 3 times x equal 5 into 12 minus x. 12 minus x. Then what? That is 3x equal, multiply by 5, 60 minus 5x. So take the negative this side, 8x, totally 8x. Therefore x answer 60 divided by 8. Cut by what? 4. If you cut by 4, this divided by 8 7 times, no? 56, 4 balance, 45. So x equals 7. This is 7.5. So what the balance? 12 minus 7.5, 3.5. 12, 7.5 is 4.5, right? Here 4.5, here 7.5. Okay, it's the idea. No confuse. Don't think it is hard problem. Study properly. The unknown you mark X or A, B, C. Various letters you can mark it. Okay. Next question 5. Lines are parallel. Here X, here 3x. This is the mark Y. Totally here they say 12. Is it? 12. It's an important question. Sometimes you miss, you feel difficult. Here x and y both available. X and y. Therefore find the x value, find the y value. Like that. Two unknowns now. Then you need two equations. Two unknowns mean two equations. We can write always one equation at the moment. There are no two equations at the moment. Later, some more I will explain later other theorems. Therefore, only x or y we can calculate. You can't find the x here. Those clear, those talented, then you can't find the x. Y you can't find. If you write the ratio, x over 3x, x cancel. Otherwise, 3x over x cancel. Okay. Right, completely 12. This is y. So like this is what? 12 minus y. Completely 12. This is y. The balance 12 minus y. And then write the ratio, the theorem. Drawn parallel, divide the other two proportionally. So if I start from here, 12, wherever you start, the order is important. If you start from up to downward, you also up to downwards. Over y equal to what? X over 3x. See here, no x, you can't find x. X cancel, the answer is 1/3. That is 1/3. And then cross multiple here, y multiple 3 multiple 3 into 12 minus y equal 1 times y. Okay, so multiply by 3, 36 minus 3y equal y. So find the y value. Take the minus 3y that side plus 3. There 4y, totally 4y that side, totally, right? 4y 36. So y is 9. 36 divided by 4, that is 9, right? So once you learn properly on this, it becomes an easy question. Otherwise, this was a very hard problem for some others, but simple case. Next, I can show the sixth problem. The lines parallel. Here 4. Here they mark F. Here 9. Here F. So find the F value. Find the F value. So follow the idea. In a triangle line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally. So write the proportional theorem. Always start from the unknown part. If I start from here, F is to 4, 9 is to F. F over 4 equal 9 over F. If you misuse, if you say here F over 9, you can't do that's wrong. You can see when you can feel the it's error. If you misuse the ratio, and if you complete the answer, you know this is wrong method. So recorrect once again, complete it. So here multiple F, multiple 4, multiple F into F square. 36, 9 times 4, 36. So F square 36 mean F equal plus or minus, but here no negative value. We won't measure the negative distances over length of the sides. So answer is 6 centimeter, right? F equal 6 centimeter. See another question, problem number 7. I mark here y line parallel drawn. Y plus 3, here y over 8 over 4, 8 and 4. So stop the video and find it, pause the video and calculate, find the y answer. Find the y answer. So use the ratio theorem, line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally. Now you are clear about this theorem, how to apply properly in particular question. When the parallel comes only, it's valid. If no parallel, no theorem, right? So what is that? Start from here. I said start from the unknown part. Y plus 3 over y equal 8 over 4. You can cut this also 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then better you multiple, cross multiple here. Y plus 3 equal 2y. 2y. Then take the 1y that side. 3 equal 2y minus y. So y is 3. Y equal 3. 2y minus y is 1y. Y equal 3, right? The method how to use this ratio theorem. So I mentioned the name, no name like the ratio theorem. It's divide ratio and proportion, and therefore I mentioned theorem called ratio theorem. There's no proof of earlier, before 2000 syllabus they asked this theorem to prove. I can show the proof, but not necessarily time based only. The applications are important, right? Later I show some more problem proving questions separate. This available in your book. See another question, problem 8. It's all my questions. Here I mention x plus 3 and here x plus 5. Here x plus 6, 12. more work. Find the x value by using this diagram. See, there's a parallel line drawn parallel to a side. Divide the other two proportionally. So first write the ratio and prepare an equation and solve. So everywhere x terms available, you can start wherever. We start from here or there, no matter. I use from here x plus 3 over x plus 5. X plus 3 over x plus 5 equal x plus 6 over 12. It's the ratio. Hereafter, not a new thing. Here, that's all. First step only this chapter of grade 11. Hereafter, solving idea. It become a quadratic equation. So it's a grade 10 type quadratic. No any completing squares or using the formula x equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 with that formula. No use, not applicable. It's straight factorization method. So rearrange, multiple 12 here, multiple this there. Right here, 12 into x plus 3. Here x plus 6 into x plus 5. So multiple 12x plus 36. Here multiple two brackets, x into x square, x into 5x. Here 6x, therefore 11x, is it? Plus 30. Now rearrange a quadratic, you know the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. Therefore take all other side. Here 1x square, 11x minus 12x. What is 11x minus 12x? Minus 1x. Minus 1x. 30 minus 36. What is 30 minus 36? Minus 6. This is your quadratic equation. Take all one side, put 0 another side. Wherever you put up 0 other side. So if there is no 0, is a famous factorization. Grade 10 quadratic idea. What are the factors? Multiple 6, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 factors. So x square is minus 1x minus 3x plus 1x. 2x minus 3x plus 2x minus 1x. Here minus 6 equals 0. Take the x out. X minus 3. Take the plus 2 out. Again x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 one factor. The other one x plus 2. So what happened to brackets? This is a long question, some sort of long question. 2 brackets 0 means this is 0, that is 0. So x equal plus 3 or x equal minus 2. So how the both answers? Is it possible or both can take or cannot one? How? For the best thing, you complete the diagram now. Question is find the x value. But we'll see what happened after apply the x values. So 2 values for x. Put x for 3. 3 and 3, 6. Put x for 3, 3 and 5, 8. Put x for 3, 9. Here 12. This is one triangle. See what happened, x is minus 2. Put x for minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 5, 3. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. 12. See, we work a geometric series. Show that there are 2 GPs. 2 geometric series like that here. Show that there are 2 triangles here. Yes. See this ratio theorem, how it's valid. What is 6:8? 6, I am showing some extra work here. What is 6:8? Give the simple ratio, grade 6 mathematics. Divide by 2. 3:4. See that side 9:12. 9:12 given the simple ratio, divide by 3. 3:4. See both sides. That's the ratio. Both sides divide equal ratios. Here 1:3. What is 4:12? That also 1:3. 4 and 2 cut by 4. 1 and 3. Anyhow, 2 triangles here available, right? So long question using the quadratic equation. That's why 2 answers. The geometric series I successfully complete. Those newcomers, stop. First you come in order all my videos. You can get some more marks in this vacation, long vacation. You can earn more marks for the final oral papers. If you connect with me, my old newcomers, subscribe these and you'll receive all my automatic this videos. Also you can forward your brothers, sisters or anywhere, your colleague, classmates to study these full free videos. There's no any Zoom or any account paying, everything you can, because I do some work, other thing that combine mathematics, Zoom technology and Google Classrooms. But here I listed all free videos. You can take full opportunity of this. Okay, next item from the school book, question 1. Next problem, see you in a book question. Take your book and see next problem in order. Your book question, there's a big 2 triangle. Like a pyramid, not a pyramid, like see, that is a triangle drawn. First you draw one triangle like this and draw another triangle here. That's the meaning. Straight, you don't draw the big like a pyramid, something like a pyramid. No, this triangle and that triangle. Now complete a parallel here to this and draw here a parallel. Different arrows, different parallel, right? Now they name, but A, B, C, D like this. Here I mentioned the name here. A, B, C, D, and E, F, G here. E, F, G. Now use the values. They marked 8 centimeters, 6, and A here. This is 3, and 6 and B. Simple question, right? It's a combined figure, combined triangle. So you take one triangle, complete one part. Take the other triangle, complete the other. That's all. In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to a side, divide the other two proportionally. Therefore here, in triangle, I take ABC. In triangle ABC, EF parallel to BC. So it's a calculation. We don't write more steps here. Straight go to the ratio part. See ABC triangle only. So I said always start from the unknown part. A over 3 equal to what? 8 over 6. A over 3 equal 8 over 6. Then find the answer. So equal 3 times 8 over 6. 24 divided by 6, 4. A is 4 in centimeters. Comes the other triangle. In triangle, what? ACD. In triangle ACD, these two, I said always start from the unknown. Now you know the answer. You don't know what is B, you know. So better you start from here, lower to upwards. B over 6. B over 6 equal upward. 3 over A. 3 over A. So cross multiple. B equal what? 3 times 6. Below what is A? A is 4. Therefore, if it's A wrong, B also wrong. Without A, you can't complete the B. So 18, cut this by 2. Cut by 2. 9 over 2 or 4.5. B is 4.5 and A is 4. So I hope you understood this. So So keep in touch, refer this, and try other some more questions there. The next other videos I will show some attractive answers for the other. You try before me the on, then clearly you can catch these ideas.